beautiful people. I hope everyone is having a blessed day. Yes, you know I truly do. Let me go ahead and say my grace so I can go ahead and tell you what I have. Dig in and, hey, just chilling. Amen. Amen. Thank you, Jesus, for breath in my body. All right, y'all. Today, now those other crab claws was a little rough, but today I have the crab claws that I really like. So I have some crab claws from Publix. Yes. Some rice with, what is it, teriyaki and ginger teriyaki sauce with some tiger shrimp. Tiger shrimp. I split them. I butterflied them. Tiger shrimp, some fruit at the bottom, some corn, and with the fruit I have pineapple, strawberry, a little kiwi. You know what it does. And some, just a couple of that's a little Meyer lemon, you know, to squeeze on it. But one of the attractions today is the lemon dill sauce. And I get this from Publix. I just put it in this container, but I get this from Publix, and that's what I'm going to be using to dip with today. I'm telling y'all, it's so amazing. And some Tropicana watermelon juice. And hold on, I'll be right back because I forgot my Dasani water. Y'all, beautiful people, I'm back. I had to go to the house to get the water. All right, you know I have to have the Dasani. How many of y'all have a refrigerator in your bedroom? A little small one. I do. But anyway, I know I said my grace and everything. So, let's go ahead and try this rice. This is the rice that I told you I used. It's 2 minutes in the microwave. It's a Japanese rice. It's just rice, though. But with a little teriyaki sauce over it. Teriyaki ginger sauce with sesame seeds. It makes a big difference. Y'all know what time it is. You know what time it is. It's time to put some Meyer lemon juice on this tiger shrimp. Look at that. Yes. I'm going to try it before I dip it. And I can double dip because it's just me. Oh. I forgot napkins, but that's okay, y'all. This is good. With just the lemon juice on it. Y'all. Remember that song, Anticipation? Mm-hmm. Remember, lemon dill. Mm-mm-mm. Lemon dill finishing sauce at Publix. It's right below this on the shelf in the seafood where they have the sell the seafood. And it's good. Mm-hmm. Watch when you're cooking, whether you bake, boil, or whatever. Make sure you never overcook shrimp. These are baked to perfection, y'all. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Gotta try one of these claws. Well, y'all, it's New Year's Eve. What are some of you all's plans for New Year's? New Year's Eve. There we go. What are some of your plans? It's supposed to come out just like that. Just like that, you all. Yes, it is. Just like that. In a little dippy time. Well, my plans, so good, gotta dip it again. My plans is to just chill. Chill and I'm going to cook what they call Sunday dinner, Panamanian style. I haven't done it in a while. And because tradition for me used to be, I grew up, we have Christmas, we celebrate Christmas, of course. We cook for Christmas. I mean, we cook for Thanksgiving. We cook for Christmas. And as far as our decorations and stuff, me and G was talking about this the other day. And as far as decorations, my mom would have decorations up until at least after the 1st. So we'd take the decorations down like maybe the 3rd. Okay, no later than the 5th now. And my mother also cooked on New Year's. But all Southern, all like dressing, turkey dressing, all that kind of stuff. Tradition. And I carried that tradition out when I first left home, you know, when I was in the Marine Corps, I carried that tradition out. I remember the first time, my first Christmas, in my first apartment. I was a young Marine too, and I was in California. Mm-mm-mm. I remember putting up lights and stuff, y'all. I was by myself. I'm hanging up lights. I'm in a festive mood and everything. So I'm putting these lights up in my window. And as I put the lights in my as I'm putting my lights up in my window, I'm using Scotch tape, y'all. Now this was in the 80s. So I'm putting the Scotch tape on it, ripping the Scotch tape off, and I'm putting them, you know, like on my hands and stuff like that. So, you know, for the next thing to take. And the next thing I know, I put it on my lip for my mouth to hold the tape, y'all. That was not a good idea. That was not a good idea at all. It was funny. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Let me get a napkin, because one moment. Mm-hmm. When did your parents take down, well, your mom, usually it's the mom, but when did y'all take down your decorations, your Christmas decorations? Because, and now as an adult or whatever, do you even put decorations up? You know, do you put them, you know, how long do you leave your decorations up before you take them down? Actually, when do you start? Ooh, that pineapple juice. That pineapple juice hit me. But yeah, this is a nice little lunch, y'all. Nice little lunch. Please excuse me. That pineapple don't play. Speaking of pineapple, I told y'all eat you some pineapple, especially if you eat a lot of seafood. If you eat a lot of seafood. Yeah, so that's the dinner I'm gonna cook. I know we were raised up also and in our neighborhood to excuse me, to I forgot what I was gonna say. It had something to do with Christmas stuff or the New Year and stuff like that. But yeah, we would start putting our decorations up right before Thanksgiving, so our decorations will be up when we have, you know, Thanksgiving dinner and all that kind of stuff. So, and then take it down. Excuse me, the first week in January. But now that I have an empty nest, yeah, I don't even put up Christmas decorations anymore. I don't even put up Christmas decorations anymore. And I guess as I've gotten older, you know, I really know the meaning of Christmas. And so I just move a little different because I know that it's not about going broke. It's not about trying to get your kids something um, before you pay your rent or your water bill, your light bill. I'm not saying don't get your kids nothing for Christmas, but I'm just saying so many families, they get in debt like that because they're trying to buy gifts for everyone. Why? Because society says you have to. So they're trying to buy gifts for everyone. And then by the first of the year, their credit card statements is out the roof and everything else, you know. No. My bills have to be paid. I can't be... Remember that little bone in there? A little, whatever you want to call it. So, I've never been one to do that. Plus, I've never been one to follow along with the Joneses or anyone else anyway. Mm-hmm. Go crab claws, go crab claws, go crab claws. Mm-mm-mm. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you. Mm-hmm. But this is a good little solid lunch, y'all. No potatoes today. Oh yeah, I used to say that for New Year's you cook dinner in our neighborhood and stuff. You know what I'm talking about. You got to make some black-eyed peas and collard greens, all that kind of stuff for good luck for the new year, come bringing the new year in. I used to do that, but I don't have big group, you know, a lot of friends and stuff that come over like that, you know, entertain like that. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Pineapple and shrimp is lovely together. Mm-hmm. We do some pineapples, shrimp, red onions, a little cilantro, fresh cilantro. Better say something about it. Mm-mm-mm. You better tell me about it. Look at that. Oh, let me get my other, let me get my other limit. Gotta love it. Got to love it. Let me put a little dip on there. A little dippy dip. A little dip, dip, dip. Mm-hmm. Yes. Tiger shrimp from Publix. And you get the rest of the meat out by squeezing the tail. Mm-hmm. Squeeze the tail. Yes. I'm going for the corn. It does keep calling my name. But yeah, y'all let me know about the traditions, your family, your Christmas traditions. Whether it be like when you were younger or what tradition that you do now during the holidays. Mm-hmm. I will be for my meat for my Panamanian Sunday dinner / New Year's dinner. It will be center cut pork chops. Heart Warriors. They say if you have medical advisors say that if you have if you're going to eat pork, if you're going to eat pork chops, get the best ones is to get the center cut, you know, because of the fat and stuff like that. They don't have all that fat. And some rice and peas. Let me rephrase. Coconut rice and peas. And I tell you, ladies and gents, if you like rice or if you cook rice a lot for yourself, for your family or whatever, if you do not have a rice cooker, you should check it out. It's one of the best things since sliced bread. A rice cooker, I have a rice cooker that I've had for about 30 years. Mm-hmm. You know it's good when you're closing your eyes. You know it's good when you're closing your eyes, y'all. So refreshing. But you know what? When I saw this, I thought about. Now that I'm drinking this, I thought about. Oh gosh, what's the guy's name? He invented the glitter bomb for people that be stealing from your porch pirates and stuff like that, be stealing packages. He invented the glitter bomb, and he has a YouTube channel. Excuse me. He has upgraded that glitter bomb for you thieves, and also put some stink spray in there. So it has a countdown as well. The glitter bomb, once they activate it, the glitter bomb will explode with all this glitter, different colors and stuff like that. Then there will be a countdown Well, they're gonna say something smart. What do they say? They say something like, I can't remember, but they say something smart. The recording does, and then the stink spray comes out at you for the thieves. But the watermelon, it reminded me because he was teaching his, I think it was his nieces and nephews and stuff, was showing them how to, well, showing everybody how to have a watermelon come out real nice and smooth. You know, a whole watermelon come out. So he showed us how to do that. But that glitter bomb, I like that. And speaking of thieves, there's another, to my viewers and subscribers, there's another channel. There's a channel that I like for you to check out, and it's called Gas Station Encounters. Now, I just ran across this. Uh, channel. It actually came in my recommendations. So on the channel, there's a gas station, and it's in Medina. I think it's Medina, Ohio. And they have a YouTube. They have a sign in there, letting a sign on the door to let them people know that's coming in. It's like a gas station that will be on I-95 or something because it's very busy. And they have a big old silver plaque. Excuse me, on their wall. But they have the state-of-the-art cameras. So what they do, they let the people come in. People are coming into the gas station. Some of them, they know that they're regulars, and other ones, they don't. They aren't, right? So they let the people come into the gas station, and the person who is actually recording and editing this, I mean, the editing is outstanding because he narrates it, and it's different. It's just different things for different people, right? So they come into the store, and he's narrating their moves and stuff because they're getting ready to steal. Oh yeah, they just, I mean, they don't know that while they're doing all that stealing, that he is behind the register. They think that he can't see them or that they cannot be seen. But they got monitors, and they watching every move they make. And they tell, when they catch him, they let him walk out the store. For most of them, they let them walk out the store, depending on the situation. But for the most part, when they walk out the store, then they go behind them and they may take down their license plates, or they may confront them and tell them, hey, you want to come back in here and pay for what you stole? You paid for, you stole such and such and such. And it's amazing. It's amazing. Excuse me. How a person, how they look him dead in the eye and get angry and talk about they didn't steal. And if they choose to come back in, he'll make them pay probably sometimes triple to what it was. I don't care if it's a pack of gum. We'll call it or call the police. Gas station encounters. I tell you, I had to stop myself from binge watching because I had to do my own videos. But strawberry, anyone? I love fruit, y'all. Strawberry. Good food. It makes me happy. It's just like eating ice cream. For those of us who like ice cream. Mm. But yeah, y'all check out that check out gas station encounters. Y'all check out that YouTube. I guarantee you probably start binge watching it like me. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Um, and I got one more thing to say. Excuse me, y'all. I have one more thing to say too. Sis, because I know you watch my videos. If you ever come this way, we have got to get together and make some Panamanian tamales. Yes, I'm talking to you, Odette. We have got to get together and make some Panamanian tamales. Look, I've gotten as far as buying a bag of what they call it, masa. But I want to share with everyone. Let me find it. Because to my beautiful people, I am, maybe one day I'll make this. But I know it's a lot of work, but just because just looking at the ingredients and how it's cooked and stuff. But to the, well, I can't say, because I know she don't watch my channel or anything like that, but I got to tell you, oh, excuse me, let me find it. Let me find it. Panamanian tamales are the best tamales that I've ever had in my life. They truly are. And when I was in Panama, my husband at the time, his neighbor, I think it was his neighbor, that had made some. When I say delish, I want to show you. This is a cookbook. Panamanian cookbook. And I know what's in here, y'all. This is what you know when you try to find something. Okay, it's wrapped in banana leaf and stuff too, but it's so good. I've had many what do you call it? Dishes from many tamales from different places in the world, but none of them okay, I see where it is now, page 49. My mother-in-law at the time gave me this book. Got this book for me. And there's the tamales. The tamale recipe right there. Right there. And, you know, those tamales, are the best I've ever tasted. Because it has the fresh, the meat in there, and I think she had put olives in. It's just phenomenal. But I want to thank you all for rocking and rolling with me. Do you understand? I don't think you understand how much I thank you for rocking with me. Let me go ahead and wash some more down with some Dasani now. I got some fruit, like I said, some fruit underneath, just a little more fruit, and a few more claws here. And you can have these like a shrimp cocktail. You can have these hot or cold. I steam these. Yes. So I really, really hope you enjoyed this video and the little conversation that I did have. I want you to have a blessed day, because you know what? I love you for free. Thanks for rocking with me. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share, 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 share. Let's try to get that Hattie Mae video that I did, the lip sync video I did. Let's try to get that at least 500 likes. Okay? Get that thumbs up for me. Alright? And thanks so much for rocking with me, because I do appreciate it. And if it's your first time watching me, please hit that bell, hit that notification bell, so you'll know when I'm coming on, when I'm going to have a video coming out, when my video is coming out, so that you'll be able to watch it. And if there's anything else that you'd like to see me do on the channel, let me know. I'll try to accommodate. But just know, without you, I couldn't grow on YouTube. Your support means a lot. It means so much. And y'all have a blessed day.